Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing the 5 best RC boats 2025, handpicked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. Traxxas M41. Experience unmatched speed and precision with the twin-hull catamaran, designed to cut through waves and glide effortlessly over smooth water at speeds exceeding 50+ mph. Engineered for performance, it features a water-cooled, waterproof VXL S-Axis marine speed control, ensuring peak efficiency and durability in any conditions. Powered by S-Axis LiPo compatibility with built-in low-voltage detection, this high-performance boat is built for extended, high-thrill runs. The blue anodized aluminum rudder support rudder and drive strut enhance stability and durability, while the Tichy 2.4 GHz radio system and 5-channel receiver with Traxxas stability management keep you in control at top speeds. Battery and charger not included. For optimal performance, get ready to dominate the water with cutting-edge technology and adrenaline-pumping speed. Number 2. Alfa-Rev R208. High-speed RC boat for thrilling water adventures. Feel the excitement of speed and control with this high-speed RC boat. Powered by a 370S brush motor and a 7.4V 1,200 mAh high-capacity battery. Reaching speeds of 20+ mph, this RC water toy is perfect for pools, lakes, and even the sea, bringing endless fun to kids and adults alike. Designed with water-sensing protection, the boat only starts when in water, ensuring safe operation for kids. Built-in LED lights enhance visibility, making nighttime racing a breeze. The 180-degree capsize recovery function lets you sail fearlessly through waves, while the auto demo mode showcases impressive stunts for nonstop fun. With an ultra-control range of up to 300 feet and a low battery warning system, you'll always stay in control. Packaged in a stylish gift box, this RC boat is the perfect gift for birthdays, holidays, and special occasions. Number 3. Bezgar TX123. Experience high-speed thrills on the water with the Bezgar TX123 Hobby RC boat, designed for pools, lakes, rivers, and even the sea. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced racer, this remote-control boat delivers endless fun for both kids, 8 to 12, and adults. The tumbler design and 180-degree capsize recovery ensure stability, making it fearless against waves and strong winds. Take it anywhere with the portable storage suitcase, featuring custom slots and mesh bags for easy organization. Enjoy 40 minutes of nonstop action with two 1,200 mAh rechargeable batteries, while the low battery alert ensures you never lose your boat mid-race. Race at night with bright LED headlights and compete with friends using the 2.4 GHz non-jamming transmitter with 300-foot range. Packaged in a deluxe gift box, the Bezgar TX123 makes the perfect gift for RC boat enthusiasts of all ages. Number 4. WLtoys WL917. Unleash the thrill of high-speed water racing with this upgraded RC boat. Featuring 3 powerful 7.4V 1,200 mAh Li-ion batteries for up to 90 minutes of nonstop action. Powered by a 370 carbon brush motor, this remote-controlled boat reaches speeds of 16 km per hour, delivering an adrenaline-pumping experience. The 2.4 GHz anti-jamming remote system ensures stable multiplayer racing without interference. With full proportion steering, you'll have precise control to accelerate, reverse, and turn with ease. The highly detailed design with vibrant colors and realistic model restoration makes this boat a standout. Navigate effortlessly at night with a built-in LED searchlight, enhancing visibility and creating an exciting atmosphere. Plus, the low battery warning alerts you when it's time to return. Whether for kids or adults, this feature-packed RC boat is the perfect gift for any water racing enthusiast. Number 5. Traxxas Blast. Experience the ultimate RC boating adventure with this high-performance remote-control boat. Equipped with a TQ 2.4 GHz radio system, enjoy precise, interference-free control, perfect for competitive racing. The included 7.2V rechargeable NIMH battery delivers extended playtime, while the 4-amp USB-C fast charger and 12V DC charger ensure quick and convenient recharges. Built for durability, the installed water cooling system keeps the motor running at peak efficiency for longer, high-speed runs. Plus, with fully waterproof electronics, this RC boat is ready to conquer waves, pools, lakes, and rivers without worry. Whether you're a seasoned RC enthusiast or a beginner looking for excitement, this power-packed boat delivers an unforgettable racing experience every time. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.